I thought, the perfect choice to work with Ambassador Pickering. As you know, he was nominated by President George W. Bush to be chairman of the Joint Chiefs. He served as Chief of Naval Operations. He led NATO's Joint Force Command, U.S. naval forces in Europe, commanded a missile cruiser, a missile destroyer, a tanker. He served in Vietnam and the Persian Gulf. Excuse me.
You need some water, Madam Secretary?
Would you like to take a 60-second, 2-minute break?
Just let me grab. So, Congressman, I had the utmost confidence in both of them.
Thank you. Let me say this. You know, this hearing began.
I only have about 20 seconds left. How will you use your husband, Bill Clinton, in the administration? We assume he won't be. You know, this. I was reading in the paper yesterday, and this is what happens in these long campaigns. You get the.
Yes.
Well, you know what? I won't hold you on here any longer because you probably could use some water there.
Participation across the Asia Pacific, especially in science, technology, engineering, and math. So this scholarship program is exactly what we need, and I've been talking all day, so excuse me. So we've come a long way in a short period of time. And that is, excuse me, what economic statecraft is all about. So we want to hear from all of you about what more we can do together. And at the risk of coughing any longer, I just want to say thank you, and let's get to work.
And the sign said the words of the